If you truly want to make money online and you're serious about changing your financial future, then do not skip this video. Watch until the very end, because in this video, I'm going to share real and genuine side hustles that people across America are using right now to earn extra income online. Listen carefully to every word I say, because one idea in this video could help you start making money sooner than you think. Don't focus on what's happening on the screen. Just focus on my voice. Follow each step and apply what you learn. Most people stay stuck because they watch videos for entertainment instead of action. If you take action after this video, you can put yourself ahead of thousands of people who keep waiting for the perfect moment. The truth is, there has never been a better time to start. Technology has created more opportunities than ever before, and regular people are using the internet every day to build second incomes, pay off debt, save for their future, and gain financial freedom. So today I'm going to break down some of the best side hustles in America and show you how to make money online in ways that are realistic, beginner-friendly, and possible to start even if you have little experience. The first side hustle is freelancing, and this is one of the fastest ways to earn money online because you can get paid for skills people already need. Businesses constantly need writers, graphic designers, video editors, virtual assistants, social media managers, customer support helpers, and data entry workers. If you already have one of these skills, you can start immediately. If you don't have any skills yet, don't worry, because many can be learned in a few weeks. For example, you can learn basic Canva graphic design, short-form video editing, caption writing, thumbnail design, or simple AI content creation. Then you can create profiles on websites like Fiverr or Upwork and begin offering services. At first, your goal is not to charge high prices. Your goal is to get reviews and experience. Once you build trust, you can raise your rates. Many beginners in America start freelancing part-time and eventually earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. The second side hustle is affiliate marketing, which is one of the most powerful online income models because you don't need to create your own product. You simply recommend products or services and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. This can be done through YouTube videos, TikTok clips, Instagram pages, blogs, Pinterest posts, or email newsletters. Think about products people already search for every day: fitness gear, kitchen tools, software subscriptions, books, online courses, home gadgets, or budgeting apps. If you help people make buying decisions, you can earn commissions. For example, if you review the best budgeting apps for families or the best home office setup under a budget, people looking for those answers may click your link and buy. Some programs even pay recurring monthly commissions, meaning one customer can continue paying you month after month. The third side hustle is starting a faceless YouTube channel, and this is growing fast in America because many people want content without becoming influencers. You do not need to show your face. You can make videos using stock clips, text on screen, AI voice tools, or your own voiceover. Popular niches include motivation, money tips, side hustles, celebrity stories, travel facts, tech news, sports recaps, productivity tips, and top 10 style videos. YouTube can pay through ads once you are monetized, but that is only one income source. You can also use affiliate links, sponsors, and digital products. The biggest mistake people make is quitting too early. Many successful channels took months before gaining traction. If you upload consistently and improve with every video, this side hustle can grow into something serious. The fourth side hustle is selling digital products, and this is one of the best ways to build passive income online. A digital product is something you create once and sell repeatedly, without shipping physical inventory. Examples include planners, resume templates, social media templates, wedding checklists, budgeting spreadsheets, meal planners, printable wall art, Notion templates, AI prompt packs, ebooks, and mini courses. You can sell these on Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or your own website. The reason this works so well is because once the product is created, every future sale can happen automatically. Imagine creating one budgeting spreadsheet that solves a problem and then selling it again and again. Many creators in America make consistent monthly income from simple digital files. The fifth side hustle is print on demand. This business model allows you to sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, tote bags, posters, and phone cases without holding inventory. You upload designs to a platform, customers place orders, and the company prints and ships everything for you. Your job is to create designs and market them. Niches that often perform well include pets, patriotic themes, funny sayings, fitness motivation, holidays, sports fans, gaming humor, and family-related gifts. You can use simple design tools like Canva to start. The key is targeting a specific audience instead of making random designs. A dog lover shirt for golden retriever owners has a better chance than a generic shirt with random text. The sixth side hustle is social media management for local businesses. Many businesses know they need to be online, but they don't have the time or skill to create content. Restaurants, gyms, real estate agents, dentists, salons, coffee shops, and local stores all need help with Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Google business updates. If you can create simple posts, schedule content, reply to comments, or make short videos, you can charge monthly fees. Start by reaching out to small businesses in your area or across the country. Offer to improve their page or create sample content. Even one client paying $500 per month can be a solid start. 2 or 3 clients can become a strong side income. The seventh side hustle is online tutoring or coaching. If you are good at math, science, English, music, coding, fitness, or even speaking conversational English, people will pay for help. Parents in America spend money on tutors, students need academic support, and adults pay for learning new skills. You can tutor through Zoom or similar platforms. If you don't feel like an expert, remember that you only need to be ahead of the beginner you are helping. Someone struggling with basic algebra may gladly pay for help from someone who finds it easy. The same applies to beginner guitar, beginner fitness coaching, beginner resume help, or beginner software training. The eighth side hustle is flipping products for profit. This means buying undervalued items locally and reselling them online or in your community. Many people make money flipping furniture, electronics, tools, gaming consoles, sneakers, bicycles, and collectibles. Check garage sales, thrift stores, clearance aisles, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. Sometimes people just want to get rid of items quickly and price them low. If you know market value, you can profit. Start small, avoid risky expensive items at first, and learn by experience. This hustle teaches valuable business skills like pricing, negotiation, and customer communication. The ninth side hustle is remote customer service or virtual assistant work. Thousands of companies hire part-time remote workers to answer emails, schedule appointments, handle live chat, process orders, or manage admin tasks. This can be ideal for people who want stable income while building another business on the side. Search legitimate job boards for remote assistant or support roles. Strong communication, reliability, and organization matter more than advanced experience in many entry-level positions. The 10th side hustle is AI-powered services, and this is one of the hottest trends right now. Businesses want the benefits of AI, but often don't know how to use it effectively. You can help them generate marketing ideas, write emails, create ad copy, make logos, edit images, build content calendars, write blog drafts, summarize documents, or automate repetitive tasks. Tools change quickly, but businesses will always pay for time saved and better results. If you learn how to solve real business problems with AI tools, you can package that into a service. Now here is the most important part of this entire video. Most people fail not because the opportunities are fake, but because they keep jumping from one idea to another. They try something for 3 days, quit, and then chase the next shiny object. That pattern keeps people broke. Instead, choose one side hustle from this video and commit to it for the next 30 days. Learn the basics, build your profile or platform, Create offers. Improve daily. Small progress repeated consistently creates real income. Use this simple 30-day plan. In week 1, choose one hustle and learn everything you can about it. In week 2, build your setup, whether that means making a Fiverr profile, creating products, launching a channel, or setting up accounts. In week 3, start promoting or applying consistently. Reach out to clients, upload content, post listings, or send proposals every day. In week 4, review results, improve what is working, and double down. You also need the right mindset. Your first attempt may be messy. Your first video may get no views. Your first product may get no sales. Your first proposal may be ignored. That is normal. Every successful person online has gone through that stage. What separates winners is that they continue anyway. They learn, adapt, and keep moving. Another truth you need to hear is that making money online is simple, but not always easy. It takes patience, effort, and consistency. If someone promises instant riches with no work, be careful. Real income is built through providing value, solving problems, and staying consistent, longer than most people are willing to. Imagine where you could be 1 year from now if you start today. You could have extra money each month, less stress, growing savings, new skills, more freedom, and confidence that you can create income whenever needed. That future starts with one decision and one action. So choose your side hustle, commit to it, and begin today. Stop waiting for perfect timing. Perfect timing never comes. The people making money online are not always smarter than you. They simply started before you and stayed consistent longer. Your opportunity is still here right now. Take it seriously, follow the steps, and build something real. If you do that, this could be the year everything changes for you.